We are starting.
This is nuts. I can't even believe they're doing this. I mean, huge props. The team here is the best. If you guys need a wrap, I don't think I need to tell you where you need to come.
Ralphie knows. Look at him. He is tearing down. Boss man over here. Look at that. Woo woo.
Tearing it up.
Yeah. Here, I'll help you. Hold on. Just kick the mirror off. This is gonna be crazy.
I know.
Only you guys would be like, yeah, we'll wrap your car in 12 hours because the Mercy's got a coolant issue. So the Mercy's down for the drive tomorrow morning, which is why they decided to just hammer this out for me. Because really the car was supposed to be here all week. This decision was made like 20 minutes ago.
Yeah, maybe 20 minutes ago.
Yeah. You guys ready for this? It's leaving. What a car. Dream car. Top of the list. Top of the list. You're barbecuing and then there's like a $6 million car just randomly leaving that just got completed.
I gotta feed the guys to wrap your damn car.
That's amazing. Like, can I get in on this?
I figured you were gonna stay for lunch anyway.
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
Look at this. Look at the precision, Geo. Currently cutting out the carbon fiber louvers on the front fender.
Already has the fender wrapped. He's working on the hood now.
By the way, you guys
know Danny.
Do we call you the worst half of Ryan or the better half? Get out of here.
Oh, yeah. What up, Rico?
Hey, how you doing?
Good, bro.
Check this out. They're gonna unwrap and rewrap the car today.
One day?
One day.
So you guys, check out this trailer. Special trailer, custom built just for the owner's car collection so that you can very carefully put these cars into a transport situation without, you know, any issues of like
Scratching this beautiful carbon fiber front lip or anything. So this whole thing goes right onto the ground, lays completely flat. You load the car onto this. It's almost like an aircraft
style loading situation where you put it onto the deck and then the deck actually itself gets picked up and dragged into the trailer.
And then after this, it just pulls itself in on this kind of like, almost like conveyor belt. Where you can see the chains. Really cool mechanism. This is the remote that's gonna reel the car in now. Look at this. This is so cool. Wow. Now that's how it's done. That's how it's done, brother. Wow.
We need one of these.
Yes.
Not the car, the trailer.
No, I know what the car. You just want the trailer?
You want to add to the list?
Add it to the list, the trailer?
The trailer.
We do need like...
New trailer list.
Yeah. That's so cool. And that's a wrap. Good night. See you later.
You guys, a really good friend of mine who I don't get to see all that often, Ernie Salzar, builds insane vehicles, trucks. You've seen him in my previous vlogs. And he just built, does this Range Rover look a little different to you? It's the only executive stretch Range Rover full size in North America.
I thought the president rolled up. I was like, whoa. Holy smokes. What? Oh yeah. So you got the TV screen.
TV screen,
What's
Apple
this one?
TV. That's a control panel to control the lights, sunroof, air conditioning, everything. Stereo system in the rear. Seats 5. Still has luggage room in the back.
Yeah.
Panoramic roof.
Oh yeah.
All on air ride suspension and a car that'll go in 3 feet of water.
It's going 3 feet of water?
Yeah. It's a Range Rover.
You can go off-roading in luxury.
Off-roading in luxury.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I've got this. with your crystal?
Right?
It's something we would do.
So how much did you have to extend the vehicle?
I extended it 3 feet.
3 feet.
Yeah. And raised the roof 3.5 inches.
That's why you see this.
Right, it makes it easier to get into. So you're not bumping your head. You got the panoramic factory roof up there.
Some of you may understand and appreciate what goes into like re-engineering and building a vehicle from scratch. It's very, very, very difficult. It's not something you just go and do.
That's so cool.
So what do you think? New wrap?
Oh, it's awesome, man.
Right?
Oh,
We're
yeah.
getting rid of the camo finally.
Getting rid of the camo, going to something hot.
Yeah, bright. Neon orange, race looking livery. So I'm excited.
Yeah, that's tricky. So we got the Sheepy Race logos. We got my boys at Ply Car. Obviously the logos. And then check this out. Brian made Tire Slayer. And we'll surprise you where that's gonna go. That's gonna go in somewhere where
It's very obvious that we're slaying tires. Thanks, homie.
you got us. So look at this, you guys. So we got the hood and the fenders done. They've got the doors done in the gray. They've already got the roof done. They're working on, look at rear quarters almost done.
It blows me away.
Carbon fiber. Look at this, Ernie. Get a good look at this. This is the underside of the bumper. It'll never look like this again. This is also never gonna look like this again. I wrecked this stuff so good. Yeah,
You already did. What did you do?
we just send it. Where is this a scratch?
What'd you do?
There is a scratch. You know, you just have to get it over with. You just take it and go, all right. You like the orange?
Yeah.
Think it'll get any attention?
Oh yeah.
Just just a little?
Plenty of that.
All right.
Both pin is running.
Sick. This is where the magic happens.
You guys get to appreciate all the work that goes into doing these cars from every little step of the way. And we're still skipping steps because there's more to it, but it would get a little, you know, boring.
Other stuff going on over here. Look at this.
Oh, food's ready, bro. Food vlog, you guys. We got the special tri-tip cooked by Ryan.
Got him.
Got it.
Show him, Gil. Go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God. Look at this, you guys. Some of this stuff, currently can't have it, but I'm gonna hit this. I'm gonna hit this. It's always funny when he stands back and he looks at it.
And he's surprised at how well it fit.
Yeah, it fit pretty good.
It was like, because I was really preparing to tell you that you're gonna be kind of up. All right, we're gonna leave them for a bit. I've been officially sent to do the Red Bull run to keep them like high energy so they can keep banging this out.
You ready? Full send? Full send. This is me full sending somebody else's car. I respect their car. Unless I say I can full send it, I won't full send. Energy drinks. I need 2 of those. I respect their car. Unless I say I can full send it, I won't full send it.
Chug up!
That's for you. You're a big wine connoisseur.
This is really good
It is.
for cooking, not with cooking.
Listen here, Captain Humble.
I just want to make
Thanks,
sure
brother.
you know how much I love you. Take care of you.
Hey, Jack.
Oh, look at it.
Come together. We gotta go get the boys some beer. You ready? I got an Uber.
We are in V10 Bros Lambo. Now you've got new wheels, as I saw you.
New wheels.
You got airbags.
Pretty good setup now.
Yeah, you got all sorts of new stuff. This thing here is the craziest. Oh, that was a big one. It's been like just a crazy, specifically Huracan day. It's been my car,
Lambo day.
and then I took out the Performante, and then it's been your 2 cars.
Where's the Mercy at, dude?
It's actually up at AGX. I blew a
I'll
coolant
fix it.
line the last night. Yeah, right here. You got room? All right, we got one of those. That's good. Thank you.
Give us a small one.
Hold on, there we go.
Good.
Thank you, sir. We got a few beers in here. All right, I honestly can't even see over the beer case. One, two, three, four. Anybody want more beer, guys?
Don't drink any of this until my wrap's done. Hey!
Hello, what's up?
Welcome back.
Thank you.
How you doing?
Good.
You here for the reveal,
I want to see this.
right?
Yeah.
You have like a little bit of an idea of what we were talking about. Race livery, camo's gone, bright neon colors.
I saw a teaser you posted on Instagram and it looks insane.
They did this in one day. Like Protective Film Solutions absolutely
Wow.
decimates all when it comes to wraps. They started at 10:29,
Yeah, it's 8:30 now. Or 20:36, but
8:30.
yeah.
So it's literally 10 hours.
Yeah.
They did
Oh,
this
shit.
all in 10 hours. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
What's going on, guys? Are we done? Are we done since we're all standing
We
around?
have a slight issue.
What's wrong?
We can't find your back bumper.
I don't have a back bumper, bro.
Well, in that case, here you go.
All done?
10 hours.
10 hours, literally, you know what? It's literally 10 hours later to the almost a minute. We started at 10:29. What time is it? Oh my gosh. 10-hour job, high fives. High five, high five. Ooh, you got a little shake in your little shake. High five, high five, high five.
You're welcome.
Holy son of a, I love it. Oh, look at, what do you think?
I'm speechless. This is incredible.
Race livery. It's literally a ripoff of the P1 GTR Lark car.
Oh, that's why it looks familiar.
Which is really funny because it was here earlier today. And I don't know if anybody even remotely thought that that's what we were gonna do, but this is my version. So
See it in the video here earlier?
it was here earlier, it left today. We have some things that we added, like obviously the Lark car doesn't have a number on the roof, but we added that. But it has P1 GTR across the windshield.
Just like this, we've now got twin turbo Huracan, and then we did the mirrors, which is a bit of a touch to tie it in, and the doors are going to be reflective, which it should be as well. We got the TT Huracan, which it says P1 GTR on the side. We have my number 99 here, and on the side, give it that race livery look. We got XComp tires, tire sponsor. I love this tire slayer across the back of the wing. And Sheepy Race, big shout out to Sheepy because obviously we've got the 1,000 horsepower coming from, yes, twin turbine skis.
Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this. You guys murdered this. 10 hours. All right, so everybody who wants to get a 10-hour wrap, call PFS. It's only $20 bazillion. Actually, you have to pay them in beer. I got you guys a few beers, didn't I?
Just a six-pack. No, really though, like you guys killed it. Finally.
Comment below, what do you guys think of the new livery?
Time for rides.
You wanna go for
You want to do
rides?
rides? You guys, who wants to go for a ride?
Not me. I didn't bring a pamper.
You didn't bring a pamper? Oh, we definitely got to put him in.
That sounds great. This is legitimately a new car. There's a new livery, there's a new power plant. I think I heard him say 1,000 horsepower. This is a new car in my opinion. This is insane.
You like it?
It's scary. Yeah. That's awesome.
This is your first experience.
This is.
What do you think from the outside so far?
This is a race car. Like I would expect this to be doing like Le Mans or something like that. This is
with like not an exaggerated reaction.
No! Holy sh!
Kind of quick.
Bro, like I was expecting like it to kind of drop off at a certain like gear, but
No, it's like a Bugatti now.
can we go again?
Yeah, we can.
Oh my god!
Good times, eh?
This is amazing!
It's kind of a beast. And then we've got the official tire slayer.
Yep. Oh my god!
Cool or what?
I want a toy like this.
I know, right? Isn't it nuts? Brakes.
What's up, guys?
Who's next?
How your legs feel?
Cool. I love this thing.
Yeah?
Like, I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna put the nose down and get out and stare at it for a second. You ready? If I put it in sport and I hold the M button down and then rev it.
That was impressive.
Are you excited about this? Like,
Me or the vlog? I'm so excited.
I mean, you've been around a lot of turbo fast cars.
This
What do you
is
think?
something else. This is a different animal.
It's fast, right?
For sure, yeah.
You guys got to smash that subscribe button and join the DD family. The vlog's not over, so stick around, but we're gonna say goodbye to the PFS guys, and then Amelia and I are gonna go find some peeps, and we're gonna go tear up LA a little bit.
Thanks, guys.
We'll see you guys in LA in 2 seconds.
Look at all these people. Are you guys okay?
They're finicky. So it's a neutral. Let's use the doors, the sills. We'll push it back, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you ready? Thank you guys so
I don't know what happened, but they just said the 458's being finicky. Yo, I don't think they could find reverse gear. I'm just saying.
Apparently Instagram, like, people follow this, hey?
There's a lot of people
Anybody
here.
see an Instagram? Anybody see an Instagram? Yeah, just somebody?
It must be coincidence.
Must be. Everybody's trying to get into Gucci late night. You should be open right now,
The
Gucci.
458?
Oh yeah, what's wrong with the 458?
I don't think they could find the reverse gear.
No.
There's a cop up there. Did he? And then there's cops down here. Oh, snap.
Well, it's officially welcome back to Beverly Hills.
They're writing tickets.
For what?
They're apparently parking enforcement now.
Oh, well, I mean, you know, if you can't park here, you can't park here, right?
That's very true.
No plate tickets for parked cars. It's a quiet night here, apparently.